Hey, it's Clay Trader for BullWarriorStocks.com. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol MJNA. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this one quite a few times, but been a while since the last time I did it, and the request poured in today, and I can see why. Very nice day, very nice volume, and I want to just start off on that. Always nice to see price react bullishly with volume. What do I mean by that? Well, lots of times you'll see volume like this come in, and for a lot of penny stocks, big volume comes in, and then you see the price either go sideways or worse yet down. This was not the case today with MJNA. Big volume, big price reaction, so that in and of itself is always a nice sign, because it shows that it does have the potential to still move. Lots of these penny stocks, seems like no matter how much volume hits them, they just don't have the ability to move, but this one clearly does. So lots of updates need to be made here. Actually, a lot of resistances were converted into supports, and the key one being this purple line right here, which is the 50-day simple moving average. Going back, let's just scroll through the chart here. When's the last time the price was actually above it? So the last time the price was up above this was back here in late October, but that was just for a day. So the real question really becomes, is this a truly strong move, or is history going to repeat itself like it did here, where the price got above it, and then quickly dropped back below? Here got above it for a day, then the next day, closed back below it. So the way to answer the question, is this a truly strong move? Is there some genuine strength behind it? Is to monitor the 50-day simple moving average. If the price can stay above it, right now that's valued at 0.1224, then this move does have some strength. So let me zoom back in here. And that's really, I think, the kind of cut and dry way to look at this chart. Maybe that seems too simple, but as I just showed with the history, the price has struggled to stay above the 50-day. But if it can stay up above this moving average, then that's where you can kind of chalk things up to, all right, this looks like it does have some true, genuine, legit strength behind it. Now, in terms of resistance levels, if this move decides to keep on moving upwards, let's see, did it? So that's right where it found resistance today. Not a shock when you look now that how this area used to be a very key level of support. So let's change that to red. Let's try that again. We want this to be red. There we go. So you can see, looking back through the history of the chart, this area was a support quite a few times over here at 0.134. And then when the price dropped below it, became a resistance, and then today's high was right up there at 0.134. So amazing, the power of technical analysis, power of charts. Support turning into resistance right here. If the price can break up above there, then the next area of support, or excuse me, resistance is going to be right up there, and that level is at 0.145. Now, I'm not going to go any further than that, one step at a time, but with any sort of closes above these levels, I'm sure I'll be back to update the chart. But all in all, great looking chart, and a very nice way to start off the week. If there are any other questions, please let me know. If not, I'd like to direct your attention down there, something new I have going on, a private trading group. What it is just a group of traders from beginners all the way up to experienced. It's just a good learning environment. I send out in newsletters weekly trade ideas, chart setups, all that sort of good stuff. So if you're looking to learn or just looking for some extra trade ideas during the week, I'd encourage you to check out the group, and hopefully you decide to join us. One more time, this was MJNA. Thanks for listening, and have a good one.